First, make an adjustable magic ring. The first double crochet in each round is replaced by 3 chains, no further explanation needed. Then work 2 incomplete double crochets. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. This group of 3 incomplete double crochets, with 2 chains together is called B. Let me demonstrate B again. 3 incomplete double crochets, yarn over and pull through all. Then chain 2. The second B is completed. Work 6 Bs in the first round. Finish and pull the loop tight, then join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Slip stitch into the chain space to work the next round. Work 2 Bs into this chain space. After finishing the first B, work another B. Working 2 Bs into one chain space is called an increase for B. Work an increase for B into each chain space after this. Join with a slip stitch to start the third round. Slip stitch into the chain space to work the next round. Work 1 B into the first chain space. Work an increase for B into the next chain space. Work 1 B, then 1 increase for B as a group. Repeat this 6 times. For the fourth round, work into the chain spaces. First, work 2 Bs in order. Work 1 increase for B into the third chain space. Work 2 Bs followed by 1 increase for B as a group. Repeat this 6 times. Join with a slip stitch into the chain space to start the fifth round, which is the depth section of the hat. Work 1 B into each chain space. For the sixth round, begin working into the chain spaces. Work 1 single crochet, chain 1 into the chain space. Work 1 single crochet, chain 1 into the next chain space. Repeat this pattern. For the seventh round, work 1 single crochet into the single crochet stitch. Work 1 single crochet into the chain stitch. Work 1 single crochet into the single crochet stitch. Work 1 single crochet into the chain stitch. Repeat this pattern. For the eighth round, work 19 single crochets. Finish the beginning chain, turn over and continue crocheting. Work 1 single crochet decrease. Work single crochets normally in the middle. When 2 stitches remain, work 1 single crochet decrease. Make 1 beginning chain, turn over, and work 1 row following this pattern. After completing, make 1 beginning chain, work 1 round of single crochets for the edge. Work 1 round back to the starting point, and join with a slip stitch. Change colors at the brim between the 7th and 8th rounds, work 1 round of slip stitches. Finally, attach or sew on the buttons.